what do we do after that point? Here we have the sum, like s. If we say s for the sum that we want to get. And what do we have here? Like, do you notice anything such as like similar to this sum s? I think so, but we have n minus 1 here instead of n, right? So how can we write it with respect to s? I think we can write s, but since we don't have the last term n, we can, what can we do? We can just subtract that n square and here over 2. But what do we have here? Like the sum of the numbers, sum of the natural numbers from 1 to n minus 1 over 2. So what is that? We have n minus 1 times n times over 2 n over 2, right? Since this is the sum of the natural numbers from 1 to n minus 1, n over 2, and we have extra 2 by this one. So we have these terms, and lastly, what did we get? N times n plus 1 times n over 2. This is equal to s plus s over 2 minus n square over 2 plus n square over 4 minus n over 4, right? So what if we do these calculations? We get 3s over 2 minus n square over 4 minus n over 4, and this is n times n plus 1 times n times over 2, right? So what if we add these ones to this side? I think we get n times n plus 1 times n over 2. I think we can add 2 here, and we can make this one 4, which is equal to 3s, which is equal to like plus n parentheses n plus 1 over 4 is equal to 3s over 2, right? Okay, what do we get if we continue? I think if we take the parentheses, like the n times n plus 1 parentheses, we get 2n plus 1. I just want to make it better. 2n plus 1, n times n plus 1 over 4 is equal to 3s over 2, right? So I think we can get easily s from these equations. So we get n times n plus 1 times 3n plus 2n plus 1 over 6, right? This is the sum. This is the sum what we wanna get, like from 1 to n I square, which is equal to n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 over 6. And here we get the result. Okay, thank you for listening to me and watching this video.